Today we have a video from Primary Officer, and the title of the video is Police Link Gym Incident to Earlier Crime Fast.
To leave a gym lobby, but as officers dealt with her, they realized this call was connected to something else from earlier that morning.
What's your first name, man?
Is this a blunt?
I don't know, but let's go outside.
No, I'm trying to, no. Why?
They don't want you here. I'm just going to cut to the chase, so let's go outside and talk for a minute, okay?
You don't want me here?
No.
Did you tell me that you don't want me here, or you told me
We told you multiple times.
that you wanted to take this out my mouth?
No, we told you to please leave. You were in the gym when I came in here. You did not leave.
Okay, let's go outside.
I was told.
Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
No.
Yes,
We're not gonna do that.
Yes, we are.
We not.
Come on, it's too early for this. Please, let's go outside.
I know it's early.
Let's go outside and talk and figure out what's going on, okay?
We gotta figure it out in front of the people that created the problem. Because how we gonna figure the problem out?
They do not want you here. Let's go outside and talk, and we'll figure out what's going on, okay? All right?
Can you ask her why she don't want me here?
They don't want you here.
But why?
They don't have to.
Is it race?
Okay, let's go outside, please. Come on, let's go outside.
I'm asking.
Ma'am, please, let's go outside.
Officer
Speakman.
Speakman.
Yes, ma'am.
And badge number?
159.
159.
Can we please go outside?
And
if we don't go outside, this is going to turn into something it doesn't need to be.
Oh.
Please, let's go outside and talk.
what is it going to turn into?
Trespassing.
Oh, okay. And then trespassing gets you what?
Arrested.
Okay.
And it's not worth it. Come on, let's go outside.
So
We'll help you out. All right, do you have somewhere to stay? We could take, like, if you're somewhere local, we'll take you somewhere to stay.
I have a place to stay.
Okay. Is it in the area? We can help you out, get you there. It's pretty cold out, so.
I'm trying to figure out, think about it. I'm a human being who came into the gym, who's trying to get a membership, and you telling me that she don't want me here.
Yes.
So now my question will be why she don't want me here, because she has to have a reason not to want me here.
Ma'am.
Otherwise, yes she do.
Ma'am.
She has to have a reason.
They're trying to run a business, okay? And this is
But you have to create a problem for somebody not to want you.
Now
It's a problem because they called you here.
Okay, let's go outside.
But they have to have a reason to call you here, officer.
Let's go outside, please.
Listen, you got one more chance.
Yeah, we're getting arrested.
Right now.
No, getting arrested is fine. That's not an issue for me.
Let's go.
But we have to have an issue.
Stand up.
We have to have a reason. What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for?
Trespassing.
Trespassing what area? The gym?
In the gym.
In the gym?
Give me this right here.
That's okay, I don't need it. So I'm being arrested for trespassing.
That's correct. Yes, sir.
In the gym that I tried to get a membership from, correct? That's correct? Oh, okay. Oh, here we go.
You shot up at 7-Eleven last night, too?
Oh, I did?
I'm asking you.
Did I? Oh, you seen it? Did they call you?
On the cameras.
Oh, did you grab the cameras?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Just check it real quick. What's your name?
That's amazing. If you see me shoplifting, then clearly you know my name.
I don't. How would I know your name from the video?
How you know that was me shoplifting?
Camera footage doesn't lie.
Oh, how you get to 7-Eleven when you was coming to the gym for me? Yeah, but did they call you?
One of my biggest pet peeves, man. Frisking without gloves. Come on. Put some gloves on, man.
And then what happened? That's what I'm saying. Excuse me, I need a woman. First of all, you're not supposed to be checking me. And I need everything that's snug and not. I need a woman. Now, I was violated, though. My rights was violated, though. My rights was violated. These are my rights being violated, and I need a woman. I need a woman!
Stop!
I need a woman!
Stop
I need a woman! I need a woman!
Stop it!
Hey! I need a woman!
Stop!
Stop! I need a woman! I need a woman!
Stop!
I need a woman!
Stop!
You guys are not! You guys are! What are you doing to me?
Watch your head.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Put your head
Why are you doing this?
Get in the
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Pull her in. Just watch yourself get out. Just gonna walk right through there, okay?
Excuse me. My money was taken out my coat pocket. Can I get it back into my coat pocket?
We'll give you everything back.
But it was taken out my coat pocket.
we have to take
but it
all
was
your
only one thing. It was only this pocket that was checked.
Because you started acting a little.
No, it was only this
So we're gonna
pocket
check
that
all
was
the
checked.
pockets.
It was both.
Just walk
It was
through
the pocket with
Listen,
my
trust
money.
me, everything's on camera. We're gonna give you everything back.
All right.
Okay. off the towel that's wrapped around
When
you.
it's a female, man,
We don't have a female. We're not.
I have to request one because I don't feel comfortable.
Okay,
I'm
well,
sorry.
we're not
I feel
going
very-
to touch you. We just need you to remove your outer clothing.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you understand?
I was already touched though.
Yeah, because we have to.
No, you don't.
Yeah, we do. Okay.
You don't.
Okay. Well, listen. We
It's
need to.
supposed to be a female officer.
We don't always have a female present.
I have to request one.
To search you, yes, but to
Yes.
check your outer garments, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't feel comfortable though.
It's irrelevant, unfortunately. All right. So
It's not, though.
I'm going to take your handcuffs off and then just remove your outer clothing. Okay.
I'll grab it. Give it. You should. Yes, you should.
Y'all gonna give me a ticket and then I'm gonna be out of here, right?
Yeah, and then we can get you help or get you somewhere if you want.
Y'all gonna give me a ticket and then I'm gonna be out of here, right? And then I'm gonna go through. How many times is it gonna take for y'all to take me to the building?
Where do you want to go?
To jail?
You want to go to county?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we can see if we can make that happen for you.
All right.
All right? Just stand up for me. What's your first name?
Y'all already got all of that.
I don't.
We can see if we can make that happen for you. Damn. Damn. They were saying that they were just gonna write up the paperwork and you was gonna get sent on your way if you needed a ride anywhere, but you want to ride to county? Okay. We'll give you a ride to county.
Well, I just
That's probably why, she's out there stealing and all this other stuff. So, she's probably homeless. At least in jail and county or whatever. You do something petty, it might take you whatever. You might go to your initial, but obviously the next day or something like that. But to get the whole case settled, it might be a couple of months or whatever. And at least she gets 3 hots and a cot if she can't bail out. So
been here, sir. I give you my birthday. You could do all the rest.
I've never met you before.
You met me.
I haven't.
You haven't met me, but you met me.
I don't think so.
I know so. That's the whole problem.
All right.
Like,
If you could just remove that stuff for me, please.
that's why he takes my cuss off. It's just acting, because y'all know wholeheartedly I'm not trying to create no crime.
I don't think you are.
I know you don't. Because they already told you. They already told you exactly who I am. They already told you exactly how I'm coming. I lined it up myself. Ask questions for questions. This, that. They literally just did it in my face. And y'all keep doing it. Like, how many times? Like, I'm literally playing a game and y'all playing it back. That's not cool.
I don't think it is either. I didn't want to be doing
That's
this.
not cool. I know who wants to go through this.
Nobody. That's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
You don't. I don't.
Exactly.
So we could have kind of found this a different way.
Exactly. We could have.
Yeah.
We really could have.
I couldn't agree with you more.
Exactly. But everybody want to do it this way, and I'm not afraid. I don't have nothing to lose. So guess who time gonna be wasted every time? If I don't have nothing, I have nothing to lose in life. You don't understand that,
I
right?
do understand that.
So me going to jail does what to me?
Probably nothing.
Exactly. So when you're dealing with a person like that, what happens?
Well,
Nothing.
absolutely right.
The money, if y'all gonna take it, take it.
You're not going to take it. It's
The
gonna come with you.
trains, y'all keep stopping it, stop it. It's like nothing in life can stop you when you don't have nothing to lose. Only thing you could do is live life until there's no more life. And that's what I'm gonna do, wherever I wanna do it at. See, I was leaving here because I respected y'all. And I told them that. I said, I'm gonna leave here.
Okay.
I got on the train with the intentions to leave.
Where were you heading to?
Doesn't matter, because
just
there's
curious
no
to take a
longer y'all
conversation.
concerned. That's the issue. Everybody want to know what's next.
I don't-
So
I'm
that
just
y'all
making
can
conversation
plan.
with you.
But if I'm leaving y'all, right, and I'm saying I respect y'all, why y'all can't just leave it at that?
I mean, when we release you from here, we can take you to a train station if you want.
The trains, I could walk to the train station.
Yeah, we can take you to a different train station if you
I
want
could
to.
walk to the train
You
station.
absolutely could.
You feel me?
Could you just finish taking off the rest of that stuff for me?
What's that?
Just the towel that's wrapped around?
It's not a towel.
Or what, a blanket?
Yep.
Okay.
Look at it. It's beautiful, right?
It is very nice.
I'm a bad girl. Look. Look how nice that is. That's so lovely.
That's very nice.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you have a driver's license or an ID?
I ain't got nothing. Cause I ain't got nothing. Cause I ain't got nothing to lose.
Can you, is that you have clothes on under that sweatshirt?
Nah.
You have a shirt on under it, right? I saw the shirt hanging out.
I don't have a shirt.
What's underneath?
It's a jacket.
Can you take, you just have to go down to one layer of clothes. Can you do that for me?
This will be the layer.
Okay. That works. Can you kick your shoes off for me?
And what's the purpose of that?
You have to go in the holding cell.
The hold is because I'm being arrested.
You are arrested, yeah.
And I'm going to the holding cell for...
That's our process. So we put you in the holding cell, we finish your processing, and then we determine whether you're going to go to county or go home. Or go out of here.
Oh, so why I didn't go through that the first time with trespassing?
I have no idea. I don't know who
That's the
you've
problem.
ever dealt with before.
See, that's the problem. But clearly you guys do because you all learn.
I don't know who you are.
I know. Jeez. Yes.
Shoes, gloves, any jewelry has to come off. Again, you're going to get everything back. You can just put everything right down there on your jacket if you want to.
Right there you go. What's the right there? Right there. Miss McAdams?
Oh, got it, huh?
All right.
That's what y'all said?
Good.
You want my wallet?
Yes, ma'am. You don't have a driver's license, you said, right? All right, we'll see if we have to take
Can you take up your earring now?
Why would I bring the information that I need with me? That don't make sense. So everything in here is closed and irrelevant. That's why I bought it. So when you search through it, what you got? My gym ID? Purposely. See how we all got a job to do?
We all got one, right?
Yep.
We all got somebody to answer to.
Uh-huh. Everybody got a boss.
You got that right.
Everybody.
Mm-hmm.
She has some mental problems. I'm not gonna lie to you. You could tell she's a little off. Not even a little. She's a lot a bit off. You know. But I would say this. That's a scary individual. One of the most dangerous people is a person that doesn't have anything to live for. You know, when I was in corrections, people that don't have nothing to live for, don't have no support on the outside, don't have no, no girlfriend that's coming to see them or anything, no family members coming to see them. They may not have no kids or anything or whatever, Boy, you don't want to come face to face with that. Because like I said, they don't have nothing to live for. So they don't care. If they don't care about their own life, they damn sure enough don't give a damn about your own. You know what I'm saying? They don't care about your life. If they don't care about their own life, they don't care about yours. So it is what it is. That's why it's important, man. If for people that are incarcerated or whatever, some people may not want to go visit them and stuff like that, and I get that, but things like that is important, and it keeps an inmate kind of sane. At least they have something to look forward to, and I've never worked in a female prison, but I've always heard that many guys do not go and visit their girls that they have in prison, where vice versa, there's girls coming to see inmates whenever they can. Visits, man, the visit rooms is gonna be packed, but it's not the same vice versa. You don't see many guys going to visit their girlfriends or whoever that's in prison or whatever. But yeah, just when she said that just made me think like, damn, yeah, man, there's people that don't got nothing to lose, and you're the guy that gotta tell them to make their bed. Oh, really? Make my bed? I have nothing to lose. How about this shank? Like it's so wild. It's so wild.
All right. Do you have any pockets on your pants in the front or the back? Would you mind just lifting your shirt just so I can see your pockets? Just see if you have any pockets. Okay. Thank you very much. And you have a jacket on underneath that flannel?
A jacket?
Yeah. Jacket. What is that on underneath? Sweatshirt or something?
A bra.
The bra with a zipper? Okay. All right. Speaking of Adams, we're gonna walk right this way, okay? There's nothing in the front pockets on.
That's my bra.
And do you mind just turning around one more time? Do you mind
You
if
got a female?
I don't have a female, so I'm not
Oh.
going to touch you.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I just check you right here?
I do mind.
So look, there's a jacket on underneath.
It's my
that.
bra.
It's not a bra.
I'm telling you it's my bra.
But it's not.
But I'm telling you that it is.
It's a sweatshirt.
So how we gonna figure that out?
So can you just be honest with me and tell me if it's a sweatshirt?
Can we call a female?
We don't have a female.
Oh,
That's
we
the
gonna
problem.
need one though.
We don't.
I'm telling you, you said, can I be honest with you? I'm telling you it's a bra. You telling me it's something else. I'm telling you that it's not. Now what's next?
Come on this way.
The woman was arrested and charged with defiant trespass and shoplifting. A woman refused.
At that point, Saul just so fed up, he just fuck it. You know, just it's not even worth the headache. Like, whatever. Keep the sweatshirt. You got it. That's what that was at the end. Really. He just saw just like, fuck it, man. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you about come on. You know? Sometimes you gotta pick your battles. That's how it goes sometimes, man. But yeah, this lady, she not wrapped too tight. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.